Today we are going to a small village in Punjab called Ghazi Ghat. Its main city is Dera Ghazi Khan. Muzaffargarh is 20 km from this village and Multan is 50 km away. Dera is a place or a temporary house in agricultural land which is used to facilitate animals used to rest in a daytime. For farmer in English you can say a small farmhouse. All farmers are living in a village. Every village have approximately 300 to 500 houses and villagers strongly believe in combined family. %90 population of village are related to agriculture. They arrived in field every morning. The farmer after Fajr prayer seeing his animals in the morning and feeds the chopped grass. So that extracted the cow's milk and providing them to the surrounding areas. Everything in the village is very pure and organic, even vegetables, milk, butter, organic hens. People here keep pigeons and rabbits as a hobby. Most of the villagers raise goats and cows. They get milk and meat from it. The fields you see here are also used to feed the animals. Nowadays, the traditional culture of the village now changed many things and facilities for the villagers. Like water motor, tube well, electricity pumps use the solar system. Nowadays, to irrigate fields to the solar system is used. This solar system is very expensive in cost, but it has many benefits. Nowadays, tube well are run from solar system in Pakistan.
This is triangle.
There is a good feeling of seeing the life of the village and how simple and to live in it. People are simple and hospitality, and I am glad to be here and meet amazing people. If you like to know more about Pakistan village life, please click to subscribe and comment.